Hey YouTube, it's Katelyn O'Friel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I create my very own DIY Hollywood Glam mirror. These are the lights up close. They come in a box just like this. So here we have the light right here. This is how you turn it on. You're just going to hit that switch. And then when you flip it over, you'll see that there is a double-sided tape already stuck on. You just have to peel off this little piece here. And this is going to help adhere it to the mirror. So you're just going to take the sticky side and you're going to put it right on to the mirror. And adhere it there. Here you have a wire to separate how far the lights will be. This is really great because you can customize how far apart you want them to be. If you just twist this around, you can make the distance shorter. And then once again, you take it, the sticky part, just put it right on. There we have it. Oh my god, I'm a loser. So once again, I'm just twirling this string right around and then going to, that worked out really well. Put it right here. You can see that I already marked where the lights should go. I spaced them out correctly. Once again, I'm just twirling the wire right around the light. And then I'm going to put it right up here on the next one. So we're coming to the last one of the set of 14, and then I have another set of 10 lights. I'm just going to do the same as I've done the whole way through and tighten it right there. Just place it down, and there you have it. Peel it right off. And put it on. You're gonna twirl it around, you know, make a little fucking dance out of it. Peel it. Right there. So once again, you're going to wrap it. Just put the wire, it fits right into there. You're going to take 20 million years to take this off. And put it right. It's going to stick that right on. There we have it. Oh my god, that's my favorite thing to say. Lights, camera, action. I love it! So here is my Hollywood Glam mirror. I am so impressed with it. I think it looks almost regal. It looks really expensive. You would never know that I got these lights from Amazon. And it just goes to show you that you can do things yourself. You can get creative and, you know, make do with some of the products that you might already have. You don't have to buy high-end expensive items. Just for instance, I purchased this desk from a thrift store and painted it, and this mirror I thrifted for $8. So you can't go wrong, you know. Think outside of the box, get creative, do it yourself. And if this is something that interests you, don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment down below. If you want to subscribe, I'd love that. If you want to see more of videos like this, let me know. And P.S. the shelf in the background, I'm painting that white. Stay tuned if you'd like to see that video. So these lights are actually dimmable as well. You can see that this is at the brightest. And if you just hit this button softly, it starts to dim. The lights are from Amazon. Mirror I thrifted for $8. I also thrifted this desk and painted it. The chair is from TJ Maxx. If it's still available, I'll link it down below. And the little mirror is from Amazon as well.